Hello, good day, good day, good day. So today I'm going straight into the business for today. Like seriously, there is no time to waste. You understand? So today I'm going to be talking about something very, very vital. You understand? It's called trade entry model. You understand? Yeah, because why am I saying this? Because there are many times when you enter inside your chart, you have marked your key level, be it your support or your resistance, you understand, and okay, and you are looking that okay, is this my support or resistance going to hold price? What am I going to know to what parameters am I going to use to measure if this my key level is going to hold price? You understand? This is exactly what I want to explain now. So pay good attention and learn something. So let's say for instance in the 1 hour time frame, I'm sketching from the scratch because I want you guys to understand this thing very well. You understand? This is what we call top-down analysis. This is the H1, the 1 hour time frame. You analyze in the higher time frame like the 30 minutes, the 1 hour, or the 4 hours. You understand? Then you come to the 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes to enter inside your trade. All right. So once you enter your 1 hour time frame, and let's say the chart is like this, it is a bullish move. If you go to, let's say, the 5 minutes time frame, because each candle in the 1 hour time frame is a 1 hour, each candle in a 1 hour time frame takes 1 hour to print, while each candle in the 5 minutes time frame takes 5 minutes to print. So the 5 minutes time frame, still the same chart as this, will give you something like this. It will be doing something like this. You understand? Then, yeah, still the same guy, but this is the way it's going to give you. Why? Because there will be so many, internal structures in this guy here. You understand? That's why the more higher the time frame, the more clearer it becomes. The more lower the time frame, the more lower it becomes. That's why I use the higher time frame to analyze my setup, and I use the lower time frame to enter into my trade, because using the lower time frame to enter inside the trade makes it more precise for me. All right, now let's talk about trade models. Let's say for instance the market is giving you higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Then around this higher low here, you had a point of interest you want to buy from that. Once price come inside of it, you are going to buy. Hold on. So you drew out your key level, and let's say that key level is another block. It can be anything. It can be support. It can be it cannot be resistance in a bullish trend, but it can be resistance if you want to sell. Yes, now you just draw your key level that once price enters inside here, you want to buy. You understand? But the problem here is that price can come to this level and say that, you know what, I don't want to respect this guy. I want to break it and continue a bearish trend. It's a possibility. You understand? And that way you're going to lose money. So you want to know what parameter am I going to use to measure if this guy is going to hold. Sometimes the other block can be very valid, and once price gets here, it can still break it. You understand? So we are going to look for what we call confirmation. If we don't see our confirmation, we are not going to enter this trade. You understand? So this is what we are going to do. So once price comes inside this guy like this, but once price comes inside this guy like this particular place now become a big area of interest for you, because anything the price does at this point here will decide whether you are going to take this trade or you are going to leave the trade alone. You understand? Once the price gets inside here, you start looking for what we call that trade entry, that confirmation. You understand? That once you don't see that thing, you leave the trade. You understand? But once you see it, you are entering. One thing is that once price have entered your POI, you don't just enter a buy trade and put your stop loss. You understand? Because price might not buy from there. Price might break that place. So this is what you're going to do. When you pay attention to somewhere like this, you go to your lower time frame. Your lower time frame is where you look for entries. You understand? So in the lower time frame, let's say in the 3 minutes or 5 minutes, regardless, you can use any lower time frame as entry, but anything higher than the 5 minutes, it's too big for looking for entries as a day trader. You understand? So in the 3 minutes, let me just I'm going to zoom only here for the 3 minutes. You understand? I'm going to zoom only here for the 3 minutes. So the 3 minutes time frame, let's say your POI is right here. All right, the same POI you drew on the 1 hour, and now the price has done its thing, and it has entered inside the POI. What you are looking for is for price to change character in the 3 minutes time frame, because for price to change character in this 1 hour time frame, price will have to break this guy here. You understand? Or price will have to break higher than this guy to break structure. Only God knows how long that is going to take. But now that, remember, this is the explanation of this, what's happening here. I'm giving here in a lower time frame because you are looking for entry. This is what you want price to do in order to enter the trade. You want to see price reject off this guy here, then break this higher low here. Remember that this retracement that is here on the 1 hour time frame is a full bearish trend on the 3 minutes time frame. You understand? Is a full bearish trend on the 3 minutes time frame, because this is here is a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. You want to see price change character, break higher than the lower high, then retrace back. And you want to make sure price has given you another order block in the 3 minutes. You understand? And make sure the order block is close to the 1 hour order block. You understand? You want to see price give you another order block, then it is from that internal order block from the 3 minutes. That's where you're going to take your trade from. You understand? When price enters inside here again, then you can enter your buy now. And this is what price is going to give you. Then you can put your stop loss under here or under here. You understand? So that is it. So let me give an example of what I mean. What I've actually really been talking about. Okay, this is Euro US dollar. Okay, now you've identified that this is a bullish trend you want to buy. All right, let me zoom in. You want to buy. So this is your lower, this is your higher low. This is your higher high. This Fibonacci tool helps me know my premium and discounts. You understand? It does not have all those 61.8 and the rest. It's just 0, 50, and 100. 50, that is the half of the Fibonacci. This is your premium, this is your discount. If price has not entered into your discounts, you are not buying. You understand? So you want to see price come back into your discount level from the 50 to the 100. And you make sure your key level is in the discount. If your key level is in the premium here, around all these places here, it's not a good key level. You want to see your key level being the discount. So you can now, bring your, I've seen one order block already, and this is the other block here. The types of valid order block I talked about, go to the previous video, you will see the valid types of order block, and you mark your order block like this. Now remember that price has already played out. This is us back testing. You understand? I want to show you how I will have entered the trade. I will have not entered it immediately in this 1 hour because price could have probably done anything. It could have broke it down, and this your Fibonacci is no longer needed again. You can just take it out. That's just to know the premium and discounts. So you want to go to the 3 minutes time frame to look for exactly that concept I explained to you just now. So I go to time frames, 3 minutes time frame. All right. So let's go to where we marked our POI. All right. So let's zoom in a little bit. Sorry, we'll find it. Okay, this is it here. So this is your lower high, your lower low, lower high, lower low in 3 minutes. Then it gave you a lower high here and a lower low. Now, the types of order block I explained to you, this is a change of character. Why do I say that? Because price has broken above this, that's broken above this. Not even that self. This was the most recent higher low it broke here. This guy here. So price has broken above this guy here. You understand? Price has broken above this guy here to the upside. So now this candle here is another block. This candle here now is another block, and price has retraced back inside of it. So I'll be waiting for price to come back into my other block. So it is from this guy I'll be taking my trade, and you see what happened. It is still inside our overall 1 hour order block, and this is where I'll be entering my buy from. And see what happened. Price just, price just swooped to the upside. You understand? And in case I miss this guy here and price has left me, I don't just enter the trade. I look for another order block again. This is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. See another order block that price has formed here again and is in a discount. In still the 3 minutes time frame, I can wait for price to come back into this order block. Oh, price didn't come back into it, but I can still extend it to the future to see what happens. Let's extend this guy to the future. Okay, and see what happens. Immediately price came back inside of it again. It is a buy from there. You understand? Until price changes character, this is how you look for entries. You understand? You don't just enter off your higher time frame, like your 1 hour. You don't just enter off here. You look for smaller order blocks in the lower time frame. You understand? Let me use another asset, for example. Let me use GBP USD, for example. All right, the price was going in a bullish move here. You see your higher high, your higher low, your higher high. You understand? Let's bring our Fibonacci to make sure our price is at our key level is at a discount. You mark your Fibonacci, you draw Fibonacci from the higher low to you draw from your higher low to your higher high. All right, you see this our order block here is at our discount levels. This thing takes a lot of practice to know the kind of order block to use. I've been doing this for a lot of time now, so I can spot order block easily. You understand? It will take you time, but you can learn it fast. So my order block is below the discount, so it's valid. It's not here. So I can mark my order block. This is the last example I'm giving, all right? So I can mark my order block like this. All right? Now, remember, we want to look for entries. I'll use another lower time frame to look for entries. You can remove your Fibonacci now. I will look for another lower time frame to give. Let me use 1 minute to look for entries. All right. So, okay, we'll have to scroll back and look for. We're back testing now. Okay, this is it here. So, sorry. Okay, I've seen it. Zoom in. All right, so you've marked your order block. So price has come back inside your order block you marked in the higher time frame. I marked it in the 30 minutes. So this is the 1 minute time frame. Immediately price entered into the order block. See what happened here. That retracement was a clear bearish trend on the 1 minute because, sorry, let me move this away. This was a lower high, all right, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and see what happened. Price has broken this lower high here and broken this lower high again. You understand? Even, okay, see, let me mark it. It broke this lower high here. You understand? So, sorry, my line is not that straight. It broke that lower high there, and see what happened. It created an order block here. This order block, if you don't know the properties of the valid order blocks I'm talking about, watch the previous videos. You understand? Understanding order blocks and introduction to order block. This was an order block here that is still inside the big, the overall time frame order block. This is it here. So you mark out that order block. Now you don't need confirmation when you are marking order block in the lower time frame. So you just mark your order block like that to the future and wait. This is where patience help. And wait. The two other blocks are the same color. That's why it showed white like that. And wait and see. Immediately price came back. Sorry. This is the other block here. So you see it very well. You understand? I drew it from this candle. Immediately price came back inside of it. You just buy. Put your stop loss below here or below the overall order block and see what happened. The pips were yours. Hope you understood something today. So make sure you watch the video again, do a back test of it, go back to your drawing board, see how I explained these things here as simple as I could. This is the best way to look for trade entry. I've simplified everything for you. This is what many mentors will collect thousands and hundreds of dollars for. My only request is that you become a profitable trader and know how to trade. Cheers and God bless. See you in the next video.